Are you ready to revolutionize your cooking routine? Say hello to the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer, an innovative kitchen appliance designed to make cooking easier, healthier, and more versatile than ever before. With its advanced features, intuitive design, and superior performance, the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer is poised to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Let's dive into what makes this air fryer a must-have addition to your culinary arsenal. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. 10 preset menus for ultimate versatility. With 10 meticulously designed preset menus, the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer caters to a diverse range of cooking needs. Whether you're craving crispy French fries, succulent fried chicken, or perfectly roasted vegetables, this air fryer has you covered. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to effortless cooking with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer's preset menus. Large color screen and full touch design for easy operation. Equipped with a large color screen and full touch design, the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer offers a more convenient control experience. The intuitive interface displays cooking status and options clearly, allowing you to navigate effortlessly through different functions. With just a gentle touch on the screen, you can select and adjust settings with ease, making the cooking process straightforward and enjoyable. 3D air circulation heating for crispy results. Experience the magic of 3D air circulation heating with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer. This innovative technology, combined with a powerful 1-800 watts heating element, ensures efficient baking and quick extraction of food oils, resulting in a crisp and delicious surface every time. Say goodbye to greasy, unhealthy meals and hello to quick, low-fat delicacies with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer. Pull out power-off memory and flip reminder for convenient cooking. Enjoy convenient and safe cooking with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer's pull-out power-off memory function. If you need to flip or add ingredients midway through the cooking process, simply do so, and the fryer will continue working in the originally set mode after resetting. Plus, with the intelligent flip reminder function, you can ensure even heating of ingredients without needing to focus on cooking details. Adjustable temperature and time and auto keep warm function for precision cooking. Achieve perfect results every time with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer's adjustable temperature and time settings. With a temperature range of 104 to 446 Fahrenheit and a flexible timer function, you can easily customize cooking parameters to suit different ingredients and recipes. Plus, the Auto Keep Warm function ensures that your dishes stay warm and ready to serve whenever you're ready to enjoy them. Visual window and lighting mode for easy monitoring. Keep an eye on your cooking progress without interrupting the cooking process with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer's unique visual window design. The transparent window allows you to observe the cooking status of ingredients at a glance, while the lighting mode illuminates the cooking chamber for a clear view, eliminating the need to open the fryer repeatedly. Enjoy a delightful culinary feast comfortably with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer. In conclusion, the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer is a game changer in the world of kitchen appliances. With its advanced features, intuitive design, and superior performance, it offers everything you need to elevate your cooking experience to new heights. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your cooking routine with the Seedeem Max XL Air Fryer. It's more than just an appliance, it's a culinary masterpiece. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.